Okay, I'm John Bewe. I reside here. I'm the business supervisor for Faith Children's Village. And I think one thing I want to first is to thank God for what He has done for this ministry. For I think since it began, it has been our prayer that we develop in the side of business whereby God provides using local support or income. And we thank God for this machine that was donated to us, which is a WoodMizer, and which has a potential of giving us the income that can sustain the village.
A couple of years ago, WoodMizer Corporation out of Indianapolis donated this machine, this sawmill machine, to Faith Children's Village. And the whole purpose behind that was that we would be able to cut hardwood and softwood here in Zambia and create a profit that would be able to meet the needs, the operational needs of the orphanage ministry. And so a solid business plan has been put together. Brother Joe Mbewe, our business supervisor, has mentioned some of that already, but we would ask that you would pray with us that God would provide the startup capital, and then a couple months from now, maybe around May of this year, we're praying that we'll be able to begin sawing timber and be able to begin selling that and reaping some of the benefits financially to help with some of the costs of the ministry here at Faith Children's Village.